y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. That means if I have a graph and I have the square root of x and I have y, then I'll get this kind of graph. What it also means is if I plotted 1 over the square root of x against y, I would get a straight line. And that means that we can write down that y is proportional to 1 over the square root of x. That's another way of saying it's inversely proportional. And so y equals k over root x. And the reason for that is that we have y equals mx plus c, but c is equal to 0 because it goes through the origin. And in this case, x is actually 1 over root x, so we get this. And this is the key starting point to the question. Actually, I've spent a bit of time talking about it, but it's important to understand where it comes from. So now we can work out what k is, because it just wants a formula linking x and y. It's given us that y is 40 when x is 9. So we can write down 40 equals k divided by the square root of 9. That means 40 equals k divided by 3. And so k is going to be 40 times 3, it's 120. We're done. Y is going to equal 120 divided by the square root of x.